Hi friends, so today you all have chosen to draw a dinosaur that says, I choose you. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper and some coloring supplies, but I'm using a marker to draw with, that way you can see it a little bit better. I would recommend that you use a pencil, that way you can go back and erase, right? And draw light until you get it right, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a shape like this. It kind of looks like an upside down J, but then I'm going to keep going and come all the way down, okay? Then I'm going to make some teeth, and then I'm going to come this way and make some teeth. And if you need to pause the video, go for it, okay? I know I go a little bit fast. Then I'm going to make an eyeball. And I'm going to add a little place for the nose. Now I'm going to come down here where the tail is, just like that. And now the legs are a little bit hard. So these legs might look a little bit wonky. If you have a better way to make some dinosaur legs, I'd love to see them. And then I'm going to come right beside it. I'm going to come down and make the belly of my dinosaur. And then I'm going to come right beside it and like make another foot. Make it look like this one's maybe stomping or something. Okay. Then we have the arms of the dinosaur, the little hands. I like to make like dinosaurs that have claw hands. I just think they're funny. And then this one I'm going to come around like this. Okay. And then I have my dinosaur, right? So now I can add all kinds of details. Like I can add some spikes on mine. Mine kind of looks like a robot dinosaur or something. It looks really wonky, but that's okay. So I'm going to make some spikes. Right. If you want it to be a girl, you can add an ear, right? And maybe an earring. Now it kind of looks like a dragon, but that's okay. And then I'm going to write right here, I'm going to make a little talk bubble. And I'm going to say, I choose, but I'm going to spell it like we're chewing something. Choose you. And now you can color it, add detail, add a background, add all kinds of really cool stuff, okay? So that's how you draw the I Choose You dinosaur.